In today's video, I'll teach you how to use SHEIN points to save money. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shein.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of SHEIN. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So after every purchase in SHEIN, you'll be able to get the reward points. So if you want to use those, what you have to do is simply go to the checkout interface. First of all, make sure to add the items to cart. For that, what you have to do is click on the item that you would like to purchase and click on the option add to cart. After you do that, click on the cart icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, that particular item will be added to the cart. What you have to do is simply make sure to select the item that you would like to check out. Now what you have to do is simply click on this option check out now that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of SHEIN. You'll be able to see the order summary over here. Also, you'll be able to select the payment method. Now in the section for order summary, you'll be able to see the retail price, shipping fee, etc. Over here, you'll be able to see the coupon code and gift card. Also, you'll be able to see the amount of points that you'll earn if you purchase this particular item. So if you want to use the reward points in order to save the money, what you have to do is simply click on this option view more. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find two more options over here, wallet credit, SHEIN points. In the section for SHEIN point, you'll be able to enter the amount of point that you would like to use. What you have to do is simply click on this field. Right now no points are available in my account, but if the points are available in your account, you'll be able to use the points. Simply click on this field and enter the amount of point that you would like to use and click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now when the SHEIN points are applied, your total will decrease and you'll get the discount. So like this, you'll be able to save your money. So that is how you use the SHEIN points in order to save your money. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.